the all-new Hyundai Kona Electric, presenting Hyundai's next step in driving innovation forward. Making future mobility accessible for everyone is a key element of Hyundai's eco-car strategy. That's why you're invited to be part of today's digital premiere of the first full electric compact SUV in Europe. Electric mobility is changing the automotive industry, and Hyundai is a driving force in this process. By offering the widest range of electrified powertrains, the company makes future mobility accessible all over Europe. Electric mobility is accelerating, as we can see in several European markets. And Hyundai is already delivering what customers need. When it comes to future mobility solutions, Hyundai is already in a leading position, before some other brands even launch their first real eco-cars. As part of Hyundai's remarkable success story, the company launched the iX35 fuel cell in 2013. It was the first mass-produced fuel cell vehicle to enter the European market. The next step in Hyundai's drive towards electrification was the Ioniq. This is the world's first car with a choice of 3 different electrified powertrains in one single body type: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and full electric. Hyundai Nexo, the successor of iX35 fuel cell, is the first dedicated hydrogen-powered SUV. It offers customers autonomous driving capabilities and smart driver assistance systems. With all these models, Hyundai is bringing the future onto the roads today. And now, with the Kona Electric, the company is again breaking new ground in zero-emission driving. The Kona Electric merges the car industry's 2 hottest and fastest growing trends: eco-mobility and an SUV body type. It's time to welcome the all-new Hyundai Kona Electric. Let's hear about this great new car from Andreas Christoph Hofmann.
Isn't it a stylish eco car? Our new Kona Electric is a car of no compromise. It has the expressive style and go anywhere attitude of our Kona. At the same time, customers benefit from the great fun to drive and low environmental impact of Kona Electric. Let's have a closer look. It's available with 2 different powertrain versions. You define the range of your car. The long-range version with the 64 kWh battery provides an electric range of up to 470 kilometers. The electric motor delivers an output of 204 horsepower. This accelerates the Kona Electric to 100 kilometers per hour in only 7.6 seconds. With a battery capacity of 39 kilowatt-hours, the basic version drives you up to almost 300 kilometers on a single charge. This motor is generating 135 horsepower. Both powertrain versions deliver 395 Nm of torque. This offers the driver of Kona Electric great fun to drive with full power from the standstill. The completely new developed platform of the Kona enables a space-saving integration of the battery packs without any compromising the roominess. New to the Kona Electric is the smart cruise control with stop and go. Thanks to its radar sensor, it automatically regulates the accelerating and braking performance for convenient driving. The new 7-inch SuperVision cluster gives relevant driving information. In addition, the combiner-type head-up display shows further driving information directly to the driver's line of sight. The Kona Electric features a dedicated center console. It incorporates the shift-by-wire module for intuitive operation. With its expressive styling, the Kona Electric carries the design DNA of the Kona. The characteristic design element of the front are the twin-type headlamps available with full LED technology, and the closed grille, which gives the front a very clean and modern appearance. Connected to 100 kilowatt fast charger, the 64 kilowatt-hour battery can be charged up to 80% in less than 1 hour. Unique to the Kona Electric are the dedicated 17-inch alloy wheels. The 7 exterior colors and the two-tone roof of Kona underline the personal style of any driver. Kona Electric also offers a generous roominess, making it suitable for everyday use. Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to present this special premiere of our new Kona Electric. It's one of the most powerful electric vehicles with an outstanding driving range and efficiency. By 2020, 60% of our lineup will be available as eco cars. Our Kona Electric is the latest model in the portfolio, which makes innovative technology accessible to even more customers. Hyundai Motor is truly committed to future mobility, and the future is now.